Have you ever seen these drawings on Instagram and asked yourself how the hell are they so perfect? What am I doing wrong? Well, today I'll show you how to make your drawings look exactly like those. So first of all, if your shadows look quite messy and grainy, it's probably because you're shading with your fingers. Don't do that. To get really clean shadows, you have to use blending sticks. Don't worry, they're really high quality and cheap. I put the ones that I bought in the description. If you don't have access to them, cotton swabs work pretty well too. Okay, so let's get to the actual drawing. So first of all, you shouldn't press too hard on the pencil. Press very lightly and move it gently. Use an HB pencil to start, then use darker pencils as you progress. Of course, try to make your shadows as close as the shadows of your reference photo. Make sure you have a really clear reference photo. Before passing to more complex shapes, like let's say a nose or an eye, or any shape with more than one side, the easiest shape to practice shading is the sphere. It's important to use a circular motion with the pencil while drawing the shadow because it helps blending the graphite with the blending sticks. If there is a shadow, there is also a light source. Determine where the light is coming from to understand where the shadow is going to be. Okay, so now you have to use blending sticks to smooth out the graphite. Make sure you're applying a really light pressure. Use them at an angle and with a circular motion. If you use them in a vertical position, the blending sticks will leave dark marks on the paper. I find the kneaded eraser extremely useful to draw highlights. You can use any eraser, but what's cool about this one is that you can give it any shape you want. If you want to draw really small highlights, I'd suggest to use a Tombow Mono Zero eraser. So what we'll have to draw now is an intersection. It's a really important part in every drawing. It's the shadow between each object. Make sure to press really hard, and I suggest you use a mechanical pencil because it will be really fine. Just like any other shadow, the shadow of the whole object will be on the opposite side of the light source. Now the angle of the light source will determine the length of the shadow of the entire object. Here's a video I did showing you the importance of pressure control and why you should use blending sticks instead of fingers. Now of course drawing takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of practice, it takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of time for your drawings to become realistic. Everyone started with their drawings that look bad. Your drawings will look bad if you just started, it's normal. All you have to do is really just practice it as much as you can, and I mean it took me 5 years to draw like this, so it definitely takes a lot of time, but it's possible, yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe if you liked it. Let me know what you would like to see in the next video. I put all the merch that I used in the description. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.